Hi, welcome to you all. I talked about solar eclipse in my previous video. In this video, we will talk about how phases of the moon occur and how lunar eclipse occur. Stay with us. Welcome to the Nonimi Vishwaya YouTube channel. The moon is a cold rocky body about 3476 km in diameter. It has no light of its own, but shines by sunlight reflected from its surface. The moon orbits Earth about once every 29.5 days. As it circles our planet, the changing position of the moon with respect to the sun causes our natural satellite to cycle through a series of phases. The phase, known as new moon, cannot actually be seen because the illuminated side of the moon is then pointed away from Earth. The rest of the phases are familiar to all of us as the moon cycles through them month after month. Did you realize that the word month is derived from the moon's 29.5 days period? Lunar eclipse. An eclipse of the moon can only occur at full moon day and only if the moon passes through some portion of Earth's shadow. That shadow is actually composed of two cone-shaped components, one nested inside the other. The penumbral shadow is a zone where the Earth blocks part, but not all, of the sun's rays from reaching the moon. In contrast, the inner or umbral shadow is a region where the Earth blocks all direct sunlight from reaching the moon. Normally, astronomers recognize three basic types of lunar eclipses. First one, penumbral lunar eclipse. Second one, partial lunar eclipse. Third one, total lunar eclipse. Penumbral lunar eclipse. The moon passes through Earth's penumbral shadow. These events are of only academic interest because they are stubborn and hard to observe. In here, you can see the pictures of penumbral lunar eclipse. Partial lunar eclipse. A portion of the moon passes through Earth's umbral shadow. These events are easy to see, even with the naked eye. In here, you can see the picture of partial lunar eclipse. Total lunar eclipse. The entire moon passes through Earth's umbral shadow. These events are quite striking due to the moon's vibrant red color during the total phase. In here, you can see the image of total lunar eclipse. Now you might be wondering, if the moon orbits Earth every 29.5 days and lunar eclipse only occur at full moon, then why don't we have an eclipse once a month during a full moon? I am glad you asked. You see, the moon's orbit around Earth is actually tipped about 5 degrees to Earth's orbit around the sun. This means that the moon spends most of the time either above or below the plane of Earth orbit. And the plane of Earth orbit around the sun is important because Earth's shadow lies exactly in the same plane. During full moon, our natural satellite usually passes above or below Earth's shadow and misses them entirely. When an eclipse of the moon takes place, everyone on the night side of the Earth can see it. About 35% of all eclipses are of the penumbral type, which are very difficult to detect even at the telescope. Another 30% are partial eclipses, which are easy to see with the naked eye. The final 35% or so are total eclipses, and these are quite extraordinary event to behold. So guys, I think you may have learned something from this video. Let others to see my video. Please share, comment and subscribe. And also do not forget to click on the bell icon at the bottom. Then you can watch as soon as I post a new video. So goodbye to you all until we meet in another video. Thank you.